A very good evening, ladies and gents, and welcome to tonight's week ahead video, where we're going to be covering the pairs that we look at, predominantly FX pairs that we look at in this particular series, and we gauge where we're sitting in the market cycle, and we identify what potential trades are leading for next week. Before I do that, trading is risky. These trade signals aren't a personal recommendation to you, so they're certainly not a regulated activity from that regard. You don't have the protections you may expect to have, such as being able to complain to the Ombudsman or the Financial Services Compensation Scheme. Lastly, Synergy is authorised and regulated by the FCA. And let's begin. So we had a really positive week last week, albeit I did cut a few trades short just because we had non-farm payroll, and they subsequently did kick on. So that was a bit annoying that I'm not going to be able to enjoy the fruits of my labour, but I hope that some of you did. Let's start with AUD CAD, which is at the top of the list. Here we go. So AUD CAD, what are you saying? AUD CAD's declining, even though we were taking CAD trades. What have we got here? This is the beautiful pattern. We have the Gartley pattern completing here. High, 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 low. High, 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 low. Notice the blue harmonic, harmonic, harmonic. Harmonic is simply the length of price retracement. Quite an interesting setup here. 1, 2, 3, consolidated. This is a trap. This is a false move. False moves at the beginning of the month normally. Is there anything for us? Let's see. Excuse me, guys. I'm so tired with kids. My God. There doesn't seem to be a great deal here. We do have a week of drop, second week of drop. That does potentially suggest we have a third in the making. So just to confirm, there's nothing for us on that. AUD CHF has been a tough one. We took a loss on this one the week before last. It's a peak formation trade. Shouldn't really mess with the peaks, but I do like that. Notice this low here, this low here. That's the biggest telling indicator for me. We saw a 1, 2, 3 to the low, and then we've seen price come back down and test the low of this box here. Personally, I think that's the end of the cycle, and I do expect us to turn around and start moving up. It is a peak. It makes things trickier. Right, AUD NZD. This is a massive level 1 consolidation. It's doing what I expected, but the fact that we're still within this higher low area, high, 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 low, high, 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 low, it does potentially mean we're going to complete the ABCD lower. That would have been an easy trade, folks, but just knowing that we are still trading within that, I had it all drawn out. There's your first zone, second zone. Difficult trade to get into. Dare drop, second dare drop. Weaker drop, second weaker drop. Hasn't yet made a 30, may have done on this. Is this a double bottom? Is it continuing? Ultimately, no, it's in line with the trend. Need to wait for a pullback of some kind. Not for me. Not for me. I need to see more. I want to see a break and a retest of that low. Right, moving on. ADUSD, missed this guy. Beautiful. Absolutely beautiful, but I'm going to have it this week. No doubt about it. This is the last serious lower high. Look, we've got a 1 going on. 1. This is 2. I'm looking for this. Enter. What have we got to show? We've got a weaker drop, second weaker drop, third weaker drop. We're looking to trade in line with the trend. We're looking to take 2 into 3. So that's the first, that's the easy part. The hard part is this. This is the hard part, identifying where you are. So we're in the first, the second, and we can see the third. This is going to be a great trade, ladies and gents. Just a case of getting in. It's a beauty. CAD CHF, I'm not really touching this like all CHF pairs at the minute, a little bit weaker, not too short. CAD JPY, just for observations, this is at the moment in time a harmonic that held, so it is a higher low at the minute. This is the previous higher low. Is this level 3 rise? Is this a peak? Too many what ifs, so I'm not interested. Now, this is one that is singing to me. Look at it. Level 1, level 2, and just erupting here. Break, retest, 1, 2, 3. We've taken out this. That's major for me. So now I'm in. I'm looking for opportunity. Huge opportunity here. So far, we've got to change character. I want to say break a structure, but what you can identify by simple deduction is that this is the first solar consolidation. We're waiting for the second, but I think this is trend at the minute. And then you'll probably get the second up here. So this is one I absolutely love, and I will be taking it. So we've got AUD USD. Let me write these down before I forget. AUD USD. What's this one? Euro AUD. Yeah, thank you very much. We're gonna have some of that. EuroCAD. This is one we took. Beautiful. ABCD. ABCD. Why did we take it? Well, we started seeing the breakdown of the previous trend. You can notice the market makers cycle if you train your eyes well enough. Shoulder, head, shoulder. This was pretty easy, to be fair, and we expect this to continue. We expect this one to continue right out. This is exiting level 1 consolidation, so it's going to be an aggressive move, and it's brilliant. Euro CHF, pig lows of the peak. In the summer, there was nothing else to trade, so we were trading things that weren't perfect, but you have to as a trade signal service. Euro AUD, Euro GBP. This is either a fat level 1 consolidation, shoulder, head, shoulder. Can notice the pattern on the way down. I don't like it personally. I'm passing on that. I love this Euro NZD. I'm in personally. I didn't get round to send it. Level 1, level 2, same as Euro AUD. Flipped of AUD USD. It's a beautiful setup. It's easy. This guy's easy. 1, 2, 3, consolidate. That's it, guys. 1, 2, 3, consolidate. Once you can pick out what makes a consolidation zone, the rest of it's quite easy. So far we've got above the consolidation, we can just label push 1. This is clearly push 1. We want to wait to see push 2, and then we're going to look for some action in here. Beautiful stuff. Let me save that because I can't be bothered to draw it all again. Euro USD, tricky dicky, but nice. We did get the trade away. We got a TP1 on this on Friday. It's beautiful. 1, 2, 3. This is consolidate. This is a trap on Friday. This is a false move. We do expect this to continue higher. Notice the previous downtrend was disturbed. Level 1 consolidation, expecting higher prices. Nice. GBP AUD. God pattern. Level 1, level 2. Sent this in the group, bottled it on the news, continued on to TP2. Oh well. Same as this, GBP AUD, GBP CAD. This is level 2 rise, high, low. We've left level 1. The next consolidation zone's up here. This is an absolute runner, and we sent it as well. GBP CHF, we understand what's going on here. This is level 1 consolidation, expecting higher prices. We did take out the highs with the change of character and then aggressively come down in an ABC manner. Not sure where this is going to want to stop. Is it going to want to double bottom? These are the unknowns. That's why we leave it. Going to ignore all of these pairs. I don't trade them. GBP USD. So far, we've got the change. We need to see the break. And we'll be waiting for this guy. Level 1 rise. NZD CAD. Wonderful looking pattern. This is one for next week as well. Level 1 consolidation, trap false. Notice the higher highs and higher lows being made. Even in this trend, higher highs and higher lows being made. Let's have a good old look at it. What did we see here? This is consolidation for me, and it's just not hard to see. Consolidation, we expect higher prices. What am I looking for to get into this one? I'm not going to give away too much of the secret sauce. But this is a huge long, and I will be sending this next week. I'm going to write that down as well. So that's 3 that are setting up. Got to put that there as well as a reminder. Happy days. NZDCHF, I said that this was one of my favorite looking setups. It's obviously not played out like that, but it's not one that we sent. I still love it. I'm really, really excited about this one. We did take this long here and we actually got that move, so that was fine. It's a really nice setup. Peak formation though, that's the only downside. NZD USD, this is the opposite to AUD, well, the brother of or sister of AUD USD. We're expecting lower prices. It's created a bit of a Gartley. We expect lower prices. Looks good. Here we go. Gold, just romping. Level 1, level 2. We need trades off the 50. I'm not sure here about entering this one. So far, I can't see the. Okay, so we like this one a lot. Just waiting. Crude oil's killer. Crude oil is killer market cycle. Massive, massive pattern. Level 1, level 2, level 1 on the downside. This is crazy. There is an ABCD that's just going to absorb people. It's going to give a higher low. This is on the way down. This is leaving level 1 consolidation. That's painful for anyone long gold. USD CAD, beautiful. Look at it. 1, 2, expecting higher prices. Notice the harmonic. We're in this as well, guys. This is a great trade for us. We are in here. And we're expecting TP2 any moment. So listen, thanks for watching. I hope you gained some valuable insight into how we approach the markets. Have a good rest of the weekend and we'll try and get some good trades out for next week. Thank you for watching. Cheers.